Hey guys, your store could be losing sales right now, all because of slow load times. On Shopify, speed is everything. It affects your SEO, bounce rates, and whether people stick around to actually buy. Let's speed things up step by step. So, start by checking your site speed at Page Speed Insights or Shopify's built-in online store speed report. It shows how your site performs across mobile and desktop. So you can navigate to a new browser, go to the search bar and type in Page Speed Insights or pagespeed.web.dev. Hit enter, and here what you'll have to basically do is copy your online store's link. After copying your online store's URL, you'll have to paste it just right here and click on Analyze. Now PageSpeed Insights will run a test and analyze how your site is performing on mobile and desktop. Now, after analyzing the results, I'm going to give you some tips through which you can easily increase the speed and get it better. So your theme is your foundation. Use one of the Shopify's free online store 2.0 themes like Dawn. They are optimized for performance, and avoid bulky third-party themes unless you've tested their speed first. So as you can see, PageSpeed Insights just gave me this performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO for my website. Now I can easily analyze this and do changes to the elements that affect my pages. Now, you can compress your image. So big uncompressed images are speed killers. Use apps like TinyImg or Image Optimizer to compress files without losing quality. Also, stick to JPEGs for photos and PNGs for graphics with transparency. Now, step 4 is removing unused apps and codes. Even if you're not using them, installed apps can leave behind code that slows things down. So navigate to your Shopify's dashboard, click on settings icon at the bottom left. Here, you'll have to click on apps and sales channels. Click on three-dotted icon after any app that you don't need. Click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. And that will remove any unused apps and cache for your store. Now, your homepage shouldn't try to do everything at once. So, cut back on large sliders, autoplay videos, or unnecessary product carousels. Keep it clean, focused, and fast. And lazy loading delays images. And step 6 is enabling lazy loading. Lazy loading delays images until the users scroll down. So that reduces initial load time. So many online stores 2.0 themes have this built in. If not, a lightweight app like Rocket Amp can help. Also, you can limit third-party scripts, chat widgets, tracking tools, pop-ups, they add load time. So audit what's actually necessary. Tools like Google Tag Manager can help manage scripts more efficiently. And if you're scaling up and needs extra performance, Shopify Plus includes enhanced infrastructure. But even on regular plans, Shopify uses a fast global CDN, that is content delivery network, so make sure it's enabled in your domain settings. So that's the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.